Do you guys see all of these boxes behind me? This is all of my makeup. That's crazy. As you guys can see from behind me, today is moving day and it's really bittersweet, you guys. I'm actually really emotional, but I'm trying to like keep it together. You know, this is a great apartment and there's so many firsts that happen here. We got Kobe here. You know, I was able to quit my job to be full-time. I don't know, I'm just really sad. I didn't think I would be, honestly. I thought I would be like, okay, we're moving on to the next, but I'm really sad and I'm just trying to keep it together because obviously I don't want to start crying. I'm so happy because my new apartment is gonna have so much space so I can organize it so much better. I want to do so many more giveaways. I want to donate. Like, I'm just so happy that I'll actually be able to see all my stuff so much better now. Just quickly put my hair up in a ponytail and wait for the movers. And my husband actually went to go pick up some breakfast as well. Oh, that's them. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Officially taken over the hallway in my building. Look at all the Roadway boxes.
Man, they are fast.
They're fast and fantastic. You guys, everything in our apartment is completely gone. I'm so sad. You know what's crazy is the apartment actually looks so much smaller when it's open, right? Sad. How do you feel?
I feel ready.
You feel ready?
Yeah, I feel ready to go.
Do you feel sad at all?
Yeah, of course. We lived here for so long. We like start our lives here, man.
We got Kobe here. This is like his home.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, say goodbye to our old place.
Bye, old place. Oh, it's alright.
It's okay. It's gonna be fine. I'm not gonna get emotional. It's gonna be fine. To go because we have to get to the other place now and we're running out of time. But I'm gonna miss this place. I'm so sad, but on to bigger and better. Hey guys, we made it to our new apartment and I wanted to do a quick tour of like my empty apartment before the movers get in and they move everything in. So here it is, starting off with the kitchen. So this is our living room. I think we're gonna put our TV on this side and set up our couches like here, but I'm not sure yet. Anyway, this is the master bedroom, but I actually think we're gonna turn this into our studio. So I might set up my backdrop like there. I don't know yet. I have to figure that out in like just 1 second, but I wanted to show this to you guys. Then we have the closet. We have bathroom number 1. So yes, this apartment does have 2 bathrooms. So here is a linen closet, which I never had before. And I'm so thankful for this because I can store like my bed sheets, my towels, all that stuff in here. And I might even put like stuff we don't use, like use this as like a proper storage space. Then we have this big mirror. The lighting here is honestly horrible. So I'm gonna switch out the lighting, but I love the storage because there's so much room here. Okay, now this is the second bedroom, which I think we're gonna turn into our closet, or not our closet, our bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but it's still huge. So you do have another walk-in closet right over there, which I think my husband's gonna take this one. And I think we'll put our bed right over there. And then you have the windows on this side, and then you walk over here. We have, bam, the second bathroom. And this has like the actual shower with the tub, and then this massive storage unit, which like is amazing. You guys, I'm just gonna literally stack all of my beauty products in here, and this is what sold it to me. As a beauty blogger, this is what sold me this apartment. All right guys, now I really have to turn off my camera because now we're gonna be working with the movers to like tell them where we're putting everything and kind of just like unpacking as they're unloading. So I'm gonna turn off the camera, but I'm really excited. I was feeling a little bit sad, but like now I'm just more excited to like get this place up and running. Anyway, lots going on. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of business here, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Hello from the new apartment. Oh my gosh. Okay, today is Tuesday. We've been here now for 3 full nights, right? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So 3 full nights, and I'm so proud to say that we have managed to unpack almost everything. Anyway, I kind of wanted to show you guys where I am right now in terms of what the apartment is looking like, and specifically my beauty room, because that is my big project and I am so not into interior designing. I don't know what looks good. So I'm really struggling with my room right now, but I know in time it'll like fall into place. Anyway, let me stop talking. Let me show you guys what I've done so far. And this is the first bathroom. I really want to show you guys the shower because everything is kind of just like placed here. I have something that kind of like goes inside the shower and that really helps me organize it. So stay tuned for that. But basically it's all done. And here, I'm really, really proud of this. I just want to say this is my job. I do get sent a lot of things, which I'm so thankful for, but all of this I have organized in here, which I'm, like I said, so happy with. It's organized by category. I only got to here. I haven't done much here. Like everything is by category, but I haven't had a chance to organize it really nicely, but I'm really, really happy. And I could already hear my friends and my sisters and my mom coming over and just taking whatever they want, which I'm totally okay with. Okay, next up I want to show you guys my beauty room. As you guys can see, this room is like completely not organized whatsoever the way that I wanted to. So again, let me give you guys a quick overview of the room. It is massive. This is actually the master bedroom that we are turning into a studio because as you guys can see, there is so much stuff here. Okay, so here's what my closet looks like. It's not organized at all. I kind of just like threw everything. I did organize my shoes, but I'm getting rid of these. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna keep the smaller ones, but I'm gonna get rid of these smaller bookshelves because honestly, they're like falling apart. I'm gonna get rid of those, and I think I'm gonna keep these ones because these are perfect for flats. Again, I'm gonna do like a whole video where I organize my closet so you guys can see the transformation happen from start to finish. But this is what it looks like right now. It's so messy and it's gonna be perfect. Color coordinated, and I'm also going to organize it by hangers because I can't stand the mismatching of the hangers. I know that's really OCD, but I really like everything to be like perfectly aligned. All that stuff up there is giveaways, you guys. It's all makeup that I'm completely giving away. So stay tuned because now I actually have like space to do that. So yeah. Guys, can you see what's behind me? Oh my gosh, we have our new mattress. We got our AllsWell mattress in a box. Yes, this is in a box. You know what's crazy? I've always wanted a mattress inside a box. I just feel like it's like so cool and like such a crazy concept. So we're gonna unbox it and finally make our bed. Whoa, it really is a mattress in a box.
So which side is, this is the bottom, I guess?
I think this is the bottom, yeah.
Easier. You can drop it.
2, 3.
This is comfortable.
This is so nice.